Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Brain Boosting Hacks. Today, we embark on a journey of self discovery, growth, and leadership mastery. In a world filled with opportunities and challenges, leadership isn't just a skill, it's a superpower that unlocks your potential to inspire and influence those around you. From boardrooms to classrooms, from community centers to corporate headquarters, leadership is the cornerstone of progress and innovation. But what does it truly take to become a leader? How do you navigate the complexities of human dynamics, inspire vision, and lead with integrity? Join me as we delve into the Leader's Blueprint, a comprehensive guide to mastering the art of leadership. Whether you're a seasoned executive, an aspiring entrepreneur, or a student eager to make a difference, this blueprint is your roadmap to success. Step number 1. Self-reflection. Leadership begins with self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, values, and goals. Knowing yourself is the first step towards leading others effectively. Step number 2. Set goals. Define clear and achievable goals for your leadership journey. Whether it's acquiring new skills, gaining experience, or taking on leadership roles, setting goals gives you direction and purpose. Step number 3. Continuous learning. Leadership is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Seek out opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills through mentors, books, courses, and workshops. Step number 4. Build relationships. Effective leadership is built on relationships. Cultivate strong connections with peers, mentors, and team members. Listen, emphasize, and build trust to foster collaboration. Step number 5. Develop communication skills. Communication is at the heart of leadership. Hone your verbal, non-verbal, and written communication skills to articulate your ideas clearly and inspire others. Step number 6. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Lead by example, embodying the qualities you expect from others. With integrity, accountability, and a positive attitude, you inspire those around you. Step number 7. Empower others. True leadership is about empowering others to succeed, delegate tasks, provide support, and foster a culture of trust and collaboration to unleash the potential of your team. Step number 8. Adaptability and resilience. In a constantly changing world, adaptability is key. Embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and remain resilient in the face of adversity. Step number 9. Inspire vision and purpose. Inspire others with a compelling vision and a sense of purpose. Connect their work to a larger mission and ignite passion and commitment within your team. Step number 10. Set feedback and self-improvement. Finally, set feedback and use it as a tool for growth. Embrace both positive and constructive feedback to continuously improve yourself as a leader. And so, as we conclude our journey here on Brain Boosting Hacks, I want to extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who has joined us all the way. Together, we've explored new ideas, shared meaningful insights, and embarked on adventures of growth and discovery. From tackling life's toughest questions to celebrating our victories, this channel has been a platform for connection, inspiration, and transformation. It's been a privilege to be part of your journey, and I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to share these experiences with you. As we bid farewell for now, remember that the journey doesn't end here. Keep seeking knowledge, chasing dreams, and embracing the beauty of life's adventures. And whenever you need a dose of inspiration, a spark of creativity, or simply a friendly face to accompany you on your journey, know that this channel will always be here for you. Don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends who need some boost to become a leader. Subscribe if you want more study hacks. Take care, and this is Brain Boosting Hacks signing off with this.